Hello everybody. Today, as a request from one of my good friends, I am going to make a cheesy omelette. I've already cut and diced onions, and to this I'm going to add some pepper, some of my frozen coriander. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and just under a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix all this up before I add the eggs, so that, if you put the eggs in as well, they just get clotted. You don't get a good mixture. So give it a good mix, make sure everything is all nicely mixed. I think now it's ready for some eggs. You can add some eggs. And now I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to mix it until the egg whites, can you see, they're all mixed in properly. That way we get a smooth omelette. And this is how I want it. Just like that. Ready to go into the pan. I'm going to make some nice tasty omelette. The pan on medium heat. I'm going to put some oil in. And heat it up. Spread it so the pan is all nicely greased. Go let that warm up a little bit. I'm going to put half of the mixture in. Make sure it's nicely cooked. Bring it from the edges to the middle, so the raw egg goes to the side and can be cooked. Let it cook properly. It's nearly done, just a little bit here that needs to be cooked. We'll turn it up a little bit. Yeah, it's coming good. It's time to put the cheese on. I'll put it on here on one side because I'm going to flip it. Don't forget, the egg will keep on cooking even when it's off the hob. So don't worry if it's a little runny before we put the cheese on. So now I'm going to flip it over. Wow. Put them onto the plate. Wow. Yes, sir. Let's open it up and see what it's like inside. Yes, that's nice and cheesy. Lovely. Oh, this one's the best one so far. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Look at this one. Oh, wow. Oh, the cheese is nicely melted inside. Lovely. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell icon to stay up to date. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.